Welcome back on the AM show. We're going to be telling you now about the Securities and Exchange Commission. Oh no, we're not in any trouble. We're still doing very good business. It's about the West Africa Capital Market Conference and how you can participate. So stay with us. Joining us for the conversation, Jacob Adu. He is Director, Issuers Department of the SEC. We also have joining the conversation Dorothy Yeboah Isiama, Senior Manager, International Relations at the SEC Chairperson at that's for the WACMaC Committee. Both of them joining the conversation this morning. Lady, gentlemen, Dorothy, Jacob, thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
It's not always that we have the privilege of hosting SEC officials with us. So what brings you by this morning?
Okay, so we are here to talk about the upcoming Capital Market Conference, which is WACMaC, and it's scheduled to take place at the Moving Peak Hotel next week, Tuesday, 24th of March. Yes, so that's why we are here. It's a very important conference as far as the capital market is concerned. Yeah.
And of course, the SEC would always be looking at capital market transparency and all of that. But it's a two-day event, more or less, isn't it?
Yes, it's a two-day event, but the first day is a closed workshop, so it's not open to the public. But the second day, it's open to the public. That's the 24th. Yes.
So tell us about this West Africa Market Conference, Jacob. Why this conference? We've had one before, haven't we, in the Ivory Coast?
Yes.
And this is the second.
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
So the first one was, it took place in Ivory Coast in 2019. And the whole conference is about integrating the West African capital markets.
Okay.
Now you have the Nigeria market is there, the Ghana market. Then you have the WACMaC market in Abidjan, which has about 8 countries, French-speaking countries on. So in ECOWAS, it is one of their mandates to ensure that these countries of West Africa have stock exchanges that are interlocked. So they give opportunity to everybody, every citizen in the region to be able to buy, sell shares, invest in any other country's securities. So that is what the 3 countries, Nigeria, Ghana, and WACMaC, have been doing over the last 5 years, seeking to integrate our markets. So depending upon where you are, you can be in Nigeria, buy stocks in Ghana, can be in Ghana, buy stocks in Nigeria and Ivory Coast and all that. And this is what we want to showcase.
Okay.
Yes, to the world, how far we have come since we started that program or project in 2015.
And this interlocking, it also feeds into the ECOWAS agenda, doesn't it?
Exactly.
Our economic community, which is not tapped into as well as we ought to.
Actually, ECOWAS have what we call the ECOWAS revised treaty. And Article 53 of that treaty actually mandates or underlines this activity that the capital markets are trying to undertake. Yes, so it's one of the mandates of the ECOWAS Commission.
I am interested, very interested, Dorothy. What more should we know about this West Africa Market Conference that is coming up? First day, closed event, but on the second day, that's the big one, isn't it?
Yes.
What can we expect?
Okay, so on the second day, there will be presentations, but before that, this year's theme is deepening and strengthening capital markets across West Africa through effective regulations. So there will be presentations, there will be panel discussions, and we would have a Q&A session for participants to ask questions and seek clarification where need be. And participants should expect that they will be hearing from people like Mr. Kobe Benson-Achel and Ms. Marianne Olsen from US SEC, Mr. Ajini Achuma from Access Bank, and a whole lot of very big industry players.
People are coming from Morocco and all of that,
yes,
aren't they?
please, from Morocco, AMMC, that's their capital market regulator.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is global.
Right.
And we all get to participate.
Yes,
well, at least
please.
you'll be telling us about the participants shortly. So on the main day, who can participate? Jacob, if I can throw that to you.
Yeah, on that day, we have the Minister of Finance, for instance, coming. We have, in fact, His Excellency, the Vice President himself coming.
Okay.
We have the Director General of Ghana Stock Exchange, of the Ghana SEC. We have the same for Nigeria. You have the MD of the Ghana Stock Exchange, Mr. Fedi, and many other capital market operators.
High-powered event.
Very high-powered event.
Right.
Yes, and these are, all coming to discuss the pertinent issues that we need to do to make sure we actually have a well-functioning integrated market. In fact, if I should add, the first trade we had was between Nigeria and Ghana in about 2015. And now I want to move onto a higher stage where, you can be licensed by the West African Association, and you can trade wherever you are. You don't need any permission from Ghana broker or Nigeria broker, but we will license you as a West African broker. So
it doesn't matter. You're Nigerian, you're Ivorian, you're Ghanaian,
exactly.
You're a West African broker.
Exactly.
You can trade.
Yes, because we have the rules that will empower you to trade from wherever you are. And so if, for instance, a big firm or even government needs huge sums of monies in Nigeria, you can be in Ghana and participate. So it's important for our institutional investors, you see, to have a wider avenue where they can have investments that are very, good and sound.
Just to give some more perspective to this, how different is that from what we have had?
Okay. Previously, if we're in Nigeria, you trade in Nigeria, you buy shares in Nigeria, invest in Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, you do same in Ghana. If we're in WACMaC, that's Cote d'Ivoire, you do same there.
So you're restricted by your grouping
by geographical boundary.
The WACMaC that you're speaking of. So a number of Francophone countries were in there.
Exactly.
You're restricted to that group.
Exactly. That market.
If you're in Ghana, you're restricted to
Ghana market.
But now this changes
this changes the dynamics. In fact, we have 3 phases for this integration. In the first phase, a broker in Nigeria will just have to have an agreement with a broker in Ghana so that broker in Nigeria can trade in Ghana through the Ghana broker. But we are moving on to the second stage. In fact, this is what has been happening apart from when you are restricted. Now, what we're going to have is you are in Nigeria as a broker. We're in Ghana as a broker. We're in Cote d'Ivoire among that 8 countries over there. Now, the West Africa will give you what we call qualified West African brokerage license, where you don't have to now come and sign an agreement with a Ghana broker or WACMaC broker. You can be there and through technology, because you have pre-qualified you. So if there are stocks on the Ghana market that you are interested in, and you are in Nigeria, you just, through technology, you go through the systems, you buy whatever you want. If you're in Nigeria, you can do so in Ghana and all across. And that is what we want to be as an integrated market for West African capital.
Looks like through these we'll also be actualizing the AfTA, wouldn't we?
Yes.
The Africa Free Trade Agreement. But let's come, Dorothy, to who can participate and what is in it for anyone who does participate.
Okay, so anybody who is interested in the capital market can participate. So investors are invited, financial sector players, they can also participate, capital market regulators can also participate, and even government officials, they can all participate. So it's
we're
basically...
going to have a number of them there.
Yes, please. So it's open to anybody who is interested in the capital market. Yeah.
But how exactly can they do this? What processes do they follow? Is it just a walk-in? What should they know?
Thank you. So you can walk in on the day of the conference, you can walk in and then you register. However, you can also go on to the website via this link, www.wacmac, which is wacmac.sec.gov.gh. And then you register. I would have you go over that. Okay, so that is www.wacmac,
which is WACMac.
WACMac 21.
WACMac
21, yes. Okay. .sec.gov.gh. So when you go there, you can register. And for people who want to attend in person, they would pay a fee of 770 Ghana cedis. Okay. But the opportunity is also there for those who want to join virtually online. They would pay a fee of 385 Ghana cedis. Okay. Yes. However, if anybody misses out on the link that I have given out, you can always call the STC or send an email to the STC, and then we would help you. But you can also walk in on the day of the conference, and then you pay and join. Yeah.
And of course, it's very easy reaching the SEC, even if I don't know whether a number will be given at a point, but I just went online and SEC, and you'll get numbers there that you can call. So very simple process. So those who are going to be joining virtually, 380
and
cities.
85.
85,
Yes.
385.
Yes.
Those who will join physically, did you say
770?
770
Right,
cities.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is how you can participate in this all-important event. I also heard you say WACMaC 21. Of course, it's a biennial event.
Right.
Last one in 2019.
Yes.
So this one is for 2021.
21, yes. But we couldn't hold it in 2021
Exactly.
because of COVID, yes. That's why it's been moved to 2022, yes.
Jacob, maybe more on what people can expect as they come through. High-powered, yes, but what can we expect beyond the personalities? What should we look forward to on D-Day?
Okay. So the conference is a West African conference, but SEC Ghana hosting the conference
Right.
on behalf of the other colleagues. And as I tried to say earlier, we are going to showcase what has been done so far under integrating West African capital markets. Investors all over will come and share their experiences. You know, we have other integration models. For instance, East Africa has one. You have the EU super model. So people from all these areas will come and share ideas how we can make ours also very workable. And you see, recently, if you heard, there was this PAPS, this payment system for Pan-Africa introduced. One of the issues was how trades are going to be settled. You are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you know how ECO has a big delay. And with the launching of the PAPS, you see, you buy in Ghana, you pay in your Ghana cedis, and to be converted to the PAPS, and the person selling will receive in that person's currency.
Right.
Yes.
You don't have to go through the tedious process of converting before you sell.
Exactly. So it's an opportunity to tell investors that if you are in Ghana and you are an institutional investor, you are a pension fund manager, you are not restricted to do all your investments in Ghana. Because we have rules, regulations that have been done to make sure investors feel protected within the region. And so now your doors are opened wider so you can go anywhere within the region and invest and have good returns and good investment for your clients.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as we get ready to cap off the conversation, of course, I know there are organizer sponsors that you would
Right.
like to acknowledge. But before we do that, we've spoken about the investors, those who are in the stocks and all of that. But how about Ghana? How are we going to benefit from all of this?
You mean Ghanaian investors?
Beyond Ghana generally,
Yes.
how is the system, the financial system, going to benefit from this conference that we're having?
Exactly. See, when you talk about the capital markets, it's buying and selling of securities, buying and selling of capital for businesses. Now, we have fund managers, pension fund managers, who manage funds on behalf of people. You see,
And that's where the benefits come.
Exactly. So even indirectly, if now they have more opportunities elsewhere, they will invest and get more returns for you. Business, if you look at the Ghana Stock Exchange, we have over 40 companies listed in there. They all raise capital. Now, if a business wants to expand, you have access to get money outside of Ghana. So we'll be able to expand our businesses, and if the businesses expand and are able to employ more people, definitely tax revenues will improve and expansion of
So you have larger markets,
Exactly.
access to larger markets, larger streams of income as well, greater benefits to those who are investing. And of course, that will have a ripple effect on our tax system because then people are going to pay more into the state's kitties.
Exactly.
Fantastic. So organizer sponsors that you'd like to acknowledge, Dorothy?
Okay, so I would like to acknowledge our co-host sponsor, which is Access Bank PLC, Multimedia Broadcasting Corporation, TV3, Graphic Group of Companies, Daily Graphic, United Capital Nigeria, Emerging Africa Nigeria, Infracredit Nigeria, FSDH Capital Limited Nigeria, Cal Bank Ghana, Enterprise Group Ghana, Data Bank Ghana, and 3MC, Medical Facilities, Tech Haven, and then Business and Financial Times. Yes, just to mention a few.
It's been good having you, Dorothy and Jacob, and of course we can pray for the very best on the 24th as all of these dignitaries converge in Ghana from across the world for the West Africa Capital Market Conference. You should make an effort to participate as well. It will be well worth your while. Well, thank you once more for joining the conversation.
And thank you for having us.
Right, and so as we move from this conversation slated for the 24th of the month, we'll be coming to you. We'll give you the citizen's microphone to pick your thoughts on some of the matters we've been discussing. Attacks on media people, the Achimota Forest saga, and more. Stay with us. We'll be right back.